Hello folks, so today we are making a simple dish that Joshua totally loves, and of course we're making it for him. We are making spaghetti and meatballs, guys, and again, store-bought, don't worry about it. To our pot we want to add our frozen meatballs, and then we're going to add our pasta sauce to them as quickly as they start to brown up. And then once this is come up to a boil, you want to add your regular ingredients. I'm adding extra garlic, guys. Don't cut it like how me cut it. Please cut it on a cutting board. So you want to add your garlic, and of course you want to add whatever else by way of vegetables and herbs that you so choose. Very, very simple. As I said, this is a great weekday meal. You can use regular meatballs or vegan meatballs, whatever you so choose. Then I'm gonna put my pasta down. I'm using spaghetti, and you just want to add it to boiling water, and then make sure that if you want to break them in half, you can, but we like it long. So we're working with it. Just once the hot water catch it, it starts to bend, and we're good to go from there. Once the water is boiled, you keep your pot on, and of course I did not add any salt to this because I don't want it to be extra salty. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil to my pasta water to make sure that it's pliable and it don't stick together. Once my meatball is at a certain level, I'm also adding a little bit of oil to the meatball. Yeah, make it nice. You know it already. I'm also adding some oregano, or if you have Italian spices, you can add Italian herbs or spices. Oregano works and it gives it that unique flavor. All right. Then once your pasta's, been cooked, your spaghetti is al dente, you want to add it to your meatball sauce, all right? And you're gonna toss this. Again, this is where you can become creative. You can add a little bit of heavy cream to it if you want it to be creamy. You can add, little vinegar, whatever it is that you want to add to it at this time to make your dish your own. This is where you do it. Joshua usually like it very plain, and I like it too gourmet. So with that being said, I just added a little bit more scallion. And again, guys, please don't cut the vegetable like how I am cutting it. I know what I am doing. You may very well hurt yourself. And then once you toss this a little bit, guys, turn the heat down. You toss it, you add it to your plate, and you just want to go for the height. So yeah, add your nice amount. Again, I'm feeding Joshua, so yeah. Give enough. All right, add your meatballs and present it. And then again for the finishing, I just added some Parmesan cheese to the plate, and a little bit more Italian herb, and a little bit more cilantro, and that is it, guys. Tonyana make fashion. Remember, visit my YouTube channel at Yardie TV for more recipes, and of course we go lives quite often as well, so please check it out. Not live, we go live often as well. Please check it out. All right, big up on yourself. Yardie TV. Please like, share, and subscribe, and of course tell a friend about Yardie TV. It works. All right, so here's my presentation, guys. Wrap it up and make on a see it how it look good. There you have it. A delicious plate of spaghetti and meatballs. Italiano style. Buonasera. Yardie belly up. Where you go again? What the word is, babe?
Which word?
When you say, when the person might eat and you say, a bon appetito. Let's take it again. Yardie belly say bon appetito. Yes, this is nice. Joshua, I love it. Food. Enough though. Josh, here comes your meal. Courtesy of Yardie TV.